Here in your game overview screen, you can basically set up quite a few things that are unique to your level and your game as a whole. For example, here are general game settings that are true for your whole game. So if you click on the little settings icon here, you can change, for example, the name of your game. You can give it a different title. You can edit the genre of your game. You can say, okay, it is a platformer, it is a puzzle game, and it's for casual players. Of course, you can just delete those again. You can also, depending on what you'd like to make, you can say it's a co-op game, it's a deathmatch, and it's horror inspired, or it has a horror theme. Once you have all the settings or the genres like you want them, just confirm by clicking the green arrow. Additionally, you can decide and define how many lives the players that play your game have available at the start of your game. You can just say, okay, you started with one life only, or you can have up to 8, depending on how challenging you want it to be and how difficult your game is. I'm just going to leave that at 3 for now. Even though you do choose it at the beginning, you can also afterwards change the game type, if it's a single or a multiplayer, and you can also define how many players that should actually be able to play your game, from 1 up to 8 players. Once you're happy with the settings, just click Save Game Settings and you're done. On top of the game settings, you can also set settings for your levels. Let's go ahead and click on the level setting button here, and you'll see an overview. Here you can actually define what kind of goals the players have to reach to complete your level. For example, you see here, if one player reaches the endpoint, the level is basically over. Here you can also decide that all players have to reach the endpoint. They have to reach it within a specific time limit you can set here by adding or retracting seconds. Or you can say the level is won if the player or the players reach a specific score. You can set them here as well, up to several thousands or as low as a few hundred. And then you can also define what should actually be measured while they're playing your level. For example, should it just be counts that are going to be counted, points that are going to be counted, or if it should be a time, for example, which player has the fastest time in your level. And just click on the green arrow to confirm your choices. Here in the actual level area, you see that there is a green area above the level we made earlier, and it says this selected level is publish ready. It does actually check if you have a spawn and the endpoint in your level, which you need to publish your level. You will see that if you don't have any of those, this area will be red and you won't be able to publish your level. You also see that you can of course delete the level with the red X here. You can play the level directly from this area, from this screen, and you can add a level by clicking this plus and arrow here. And then just edit and create an additional level. Once the first level is completed, the player will automatically get into the second level. You can simply drag left and right to change between the levels you'd like to edit. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one since we don't need it for now.